Hello, this is Stephen Whitfield with Drilling Contractor. Right now I'm joined by Asher's Partouche, Aura product champion at Schlumberger, and we will be talking about the Schlumberger Aura intelligent wireline testing platform and how that platform can help companies lower emissions from their operations. Mr. Partouche, thank you very much for joining me today.
Thank you, Ivan, for having me join you.
So my first question is a pretty simple one. What is the Aura platform? How does it work?
Sure. So the formation testing has traditionally been a lengthy, complex, and solid process to obtain the right information to make critical well decisions. And we have seen that by the time answers derived from the data and integrated into subsurface model, their value for early decision is diminished. In addition, historically, there is limitation with formation tester in very challenging environment with long operational time, some limited capability of fluid analysis, and sometimes the inability to take fluid samples in those challenging environments such as high pressure, high temperature, low mobility, or low condensation, low consolidation formation. So the Aura platform is the newest formation testing platform, and it is ready to operate for operation at 35,000 psi and 200 degrees C, and is aiming at addressing those challenges. So we have the platform as enabled capturing fluid samples and performing downhole fluid analysis with efficiency greater than 50% compared to traditional formation tester in all environment, and also in places where in environment where it was not even possible to do that before. So the platform digital capabilities as well enable intelligent planning, live operational control, and more importantly, delivers contextual insight at the relevant time for the customer to make a better decision sooner. Finally, the new platform unlocks new application, and one of the most exciting one that we'll talk about is deep transit testing on wireline.
Now, Aura is part of Schlumberger's transition technology portfolio, and that's aiming to maximize low carbon opportunities in the field. So can you tell me how that platform fits within that portfolio?
So Schlumberger's strategy for achieving net zero emission is based on three key components: reducing Schlumberger internal carbon emission from our operation, decarbonizing our customers' E&P operations, and accelerating innovation in low carbon technology. And so our transition technology portfolio is aiming at decarbonizing our customer E&P operations. And we have two key themes within this portfolio, which is to reduce the carbon emission during the drilling process and also eliminate or reduce flaring. And Aura can help for both of these aspects. In terms of the drilling process, because Aura can provide formation testing results a lot more efficiently than previously before, we can then reduce the time it takes to get to these answers and overall reduce the rig time necessary for a project, hence reducing the carbon emission related. We can also, eliminate flaring by using Aura deep transit testing. So this is a technology that we developed since 2007, or starting in 2007 with Equinor, with the goal of bridging the gap in terms of the formation information that we could obtain between formation testing and the drill stem test. And with Aura and its capability, we're able to flow the well, perform this measurement deeper and longer to be able to achieve this result. So today, Aura deep transit testing is a proven technology to assess far field reservoir properties and estimate reserves.
Earlier this year, Schlumberger used the Aura platform to help E&I confirm minimum hydrocarbons in place on a well offshore Angola, completely eliminating flaring-related greenhouse gas emissions from that well. Could you talk a little bit more about this? How did the platform work in this instance?
Yes. So Indeed, ENI used the Aura deep tunnel testing technology during operation offshore Angola. With our industry first and highest flow rate pump, our inlet jaw packer element, and our patented and unique fluid handling technology that allows us to have active hydrocarbon circulation to surface for well control, ENI could test longer and see deeper in the formation, eliminating the need for surface flaring. As a result, ENI confirmed minimum hydrocarbon in place and reservoir durability in 6 weeks. Without Aura, this measurement would have previously required a full drill stem test. We estimate that compared to a drill stem test, we have been able to reduce carbon emissions by over 5,000 metric tons of CO2, which is the equivalent of taking over 1,000 cars off the road in a year.
Well, Mr. Partouche, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us today. Low carbon technologies are definitely a hot topic of interest within the industry, and it'll be interesting to see how the Aura platform and other developments that Schlumberger has in the offering will help the industry as it moves along this sustainable journey. So thank you so much again for speaking with us today.
Thank you, Evan, for giving me the opportunity.
And thank you for visiting Drilling Contractor.